Daghan kayong salamat, Sir Dave. Una, mugreet ako sa atong mga listeners. So, mayong udto, Tagbilaranon, and Bolanon. Swerte kayo ang Tagbilaran City because today we are officially launching our partnership with 8 INIRAS. This is an multi-emergency early response app system. Number 1, ang iyang gikater, sunog. Nakita na nato nga last year na nasunog sa Poblacion 2 and this February lang na nasunog gato sa Barangay Mansasa. So everybody that has this app can automatically click the help button, and this app will be linked to our responders in the BFP, in the PNP, in our command center, and in partnership with the provincial government of Bohol through Governor Aris Aumentado. It will also be linked to Tarsier 117. So whoever is the nearest in that area can respond immediately within 60 seconds. So ang atong tumong og tinguhaan ni nga mas mapadali ang atong pagresponde kung adunay mga disaster, kung adunay mga sunog diri sa Tagbilaran. Of course, with the use of technology. Our number 1 and first executive order is digitalization. We are making this digital. Kay kinag-click nila sa app, they don't need to explain where they are. There is a geolocation feature in the app which the responders can use automatic. Inag-abri nila, matanaw dayon nila imong location maski asa kang suuka sa Tagbilaran City. And this is also connected to Waze. So, ang bumbero or ang pulis baron or ang barangay, iyan ang idirekta imong sakyanan nga to naa dire si Dave, naa dire sa Karinderya or unsa bang lugara. So, this emergency app can truly save lives of so many Tagbilaranons and Boholanos. And